Hi, this is Apple Juicy Review, and this is our first video, and it's all about the Apple wireless keyboard. Now let's start off with the aesthetics of it. It's made of aluminium and has plastic keys on it. The plastic keys are made of a very nice type of plastic and are generally very nice to feel. When your hands are sweaty, they don't at all get wet. They always stay the same way that they are in terms of grip and how they feel. If we have a look at the back here, it starts to get a lot thicker. That's because that's where the batteries are held here. There's two of them, two AA batteries. It's very thin here. There's not much to it really, it's just a keyboard. If we have a look on the other side, again the same, but here, this is a power button to turn the keyboard on. Also, very thin here. Now, if we flip it over, we got an Apple logo here. We got rubber feet in the corners. And what my hand's on now, over here, is the antenna to connect to the computer. Now, apparently, it's got a very good range. It goes up to 30 meters of it. I haven't tested that yet, but I will put some information at the end of how far I got before it kicking out. Now, this is the box. It's got a picture of it from the side, and then again, it's got another picture on the side on the back of it. It's got an Apple logo and an Apple logo. They're in doubles here. Also, it's got some information about the product and some more information of how to look after it. Also says at the top, wireless keyboard. Now if we open it up, nothing much to it. I've got the plastic in here from where I opened it. It doesn't have, well, it did have a manual in it, but I'm currently reading that. But that was it, the keyboard and the manual in a little wallet. So nothing much in the box at all. It is a nice box, and I think it does follow the boxes of the, have you seen the new MacBook Pros? The 2010 model, or 2009 model. It does follow in the white boxes with the duplicate theme on it. But this is a very nice, soft keyboard to type on. I know it sounds stupid being soft, but really, if you go and have a go on one in the Apple Store, it really is. Now, there's not much to the keys, just except from the feel of them. It's a full-sized, individual spaced keyboard. And like I said, the base of it is made from aluminium. That is Apple Juicy Reviews, Program 1 on the Apple wireless keyboard.